Hey y'all, today we are making a lemon blueberry pound cake. Stay tuned. All right, so I will have all the ingredients listed below with your measurements. First, we're going to start off with 3 sticks of butter, and we're going to beat those, and we are going to add in our sugar next. And then this is 3 cups of sugar. I'm just adding them in a cup by cup, just adding in a cup and then blending and then adding in the other. And then next we're going to add 6 eggs. I'm just going to add a couple at a time. This year I did say I wanted to challenge myself with baking. I consider myself a good cook. I do need to work on my baking skills, so this is my effort. So if you guys see something wrong or if it's not the best, give me a little grace because I'm still learning. If you have any recommendations or tips, I'll definitely appreciate those. But you can comment below and let me know. Also, I'm going to beat the eggs in. I think I added them 2 at a time. And then I'm going to add in a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And here I am adding 8 ounces of cream cheese. I'm going to add the zest from a large lemon and also the juice. And in a separate bowl, I have 3 cups of sifted cake flour. I'm adding a tablespoon of baking powder and then a 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt, and just going to combine everything. And then I am going to fold in the flour, and then I'll mix it in, and then I'll alternate by adding a little of the milk. It's a cup of milk, so I'll just add my flour mix, add some of the milk mix, and do that back and forth until I've added everything in. All right, so I'm just mixing the rest of the milk in there, and I'm going to beat this until there's no more lumps for about 2 to 3 minutes. Right, so next I am using about 1.5 cups of frozen blueberries. I added a little bit of flour, about 2 tablespoons, and mixed it around so that most of the blueberries don't stick to the bottom. All right, and this is my bundt pan that I've greased and floured, and I'm just going to add half of that mixture. I'm going to use my spatula to spread it evenly around, and then I'm going to add in my blueberries. All right, so after I've added the blueberries, I'm going to put the remaining cake batter and then spread this over top. My oven is heated to 325. I'm going to bake this for about an hour or until my toothpick comes out clean. So it may be an hour, 15 minutes, an hour, but I check it at an hour. All right, so I'm just going to tap my pan on the table to get any air bubbles out. I'm going to let this bacon do its thing. All right, and this is it going in, and this is it after about an hour, 10 minutes. It's looking so good. Next, we're going to work on our frosting. I've got 3 cups of powdered sugar. I've got a stick of butter, a zest of a lemon, and half of lemon juice, and a little bit of vanilla extract. I have some blueberry juice that I'm going to use later. So I'm just going to add all these ingredients, and I'm going to beat them on low. Oh, also a pinch of salt. I'll add in a cup of the sugar, 1 cup at a time. Okay, so I did tell y'all that I'm still learning how to bake. It's been a long time since I've decorated and iced a cake. So I had this idea in my mind. It didn't come out exactly as planned. I wanted to kind of pipe the icing on the cake, and it did not look cute. It kind of looked a hot mess. So I just ended up icing the whole cake at the end. But I think that I would have added another cup of sugar for my frosting to be a little bit thicker. But you can still use these ingredients. Just add 4 cups of sugar versus 3. So I'm mixing everything around, and then I'm gonna ice my cake, and this came out pretty good. I'm a little surprised. The presentation isn't the prettiest, but the cake was moist and it was really flavorful. You could taste the blueberries and the lemon, so I'm really proud of myself. And this is me using a piping bag, so I'm just putting in a cup to fill the icing, and I just put the frosting and then a little bit of syrup, and then the frosting and a little more of the syrup, or blueberry juice actually is what it is. It's from the blueberries. And then I'm going to pipe this over my cake. I am going to keep on practicing baking. I want it to be where the presentation looks as good as it tastes, but we'll get there. It did come out really, really good. If you guys try this recipe, let me know. If you have any recipes you want me to try, let me know. If you've seen this video, please make sure that you like and subscribe. It really, really helps my channel. I appreciate you all for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.